Yo everyone, what's up? My name is Victor. Welcome to Vracc Studio. So this time I'm doing something a little bit different. It's a very simple artwork. It's just something that I had and then I put it aside, but now I am trying to revive it just in a more slow way. So just so you guys know, this is just a spit art video, but let me introduce you to the project. I am working on multiple projects at a time, so I do hope you guys share and like. If you're on Instagram, just like the post. If you're on YouTube, subscribe to VictoR+Autism+riCCo Studio. On Instagram, just follow my profile so I know that you actually enjoy the project. So the project is called Geom Wars. Comes from Geometry Wars and was supposed to be a game I started producing to kind of study game design and game development, but I never went forward with it. So I'm gonna try it again and I would love your support for that. So basically it is a 3D plataformer and it plays like a side scroller, and what this is all about is it's your basic platformer, and it features just geometric characters and forms, and everything is based out on geometric form. But as you guys are going to see in the video moving forward, this is a bit different. It has a sci-fi take, so I do hope you guys enjoy it, and I will keep you posted as I move forward. I'm going to try and develop the game. I'm going to try that once again, and we'll see how that goes. So thanks for watching. Don't scroll down or move to another video yet, because there is more to this. If you're on Instagram, check out the next video. It is the speed art video, and then the other one is the animation that I produced. It's something very simple, not very good at it just yet, but anyways. And if you're on YouTube, just keep watching to see the speed art part of the video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video or the next post, whatever. Bye bye.